Hello, and welcome to 1Place Client Console Tutorials. In this video, we are going to see how to use Export-Import Datapump feature for migrating Oracle databases of release greater than 11.2.0.4 to AWS RDS without the need of SSH access. Log into your 1Place Client Console first. Then, from the left side menu panel, select Homogeneous Initial Load. Let's start with the source deployment details. First, choose the deployment name and the database name from the drop-down menu. Choose the CDB and PDB names from the drop-down as well. At the center, you will be able to see the source database details. Select the schema names from the given set. Once that is done, make sure to give the load name. You can analyze the selected schemas by clicking on the Analyze Selected Schemas button at the center of the page. This will show you all the tables inside the schemas you selected. Now, click on the Export option button. Export Datapump will export the selected schemas, with any exclusions provided to a local directory, specified in the source server. These files are copied over through SQLnet to AWS S3 Object Storage, with the help of the AWS credentials supplied in this export option. Fill in the datapump export options. Choose the directory name from the drop-down list. Enter the AWS bucket name, AWS access key ID and AWS secret access key. And click on OK. Now let's move on to the target deployment section. Choose the target deployment and the database name. You can choose the PDB name from the drop-down list. Click on Import Options button. To use this option, the AWS RDS has to be integrated with Amazon S3. The files copied to the AWS S3 are copied over to the chosen AWS RDS directory and imported to the AWS RDS instance with chosen parallelism. Remap schema and remap table space options are also provided in the import options. In the Datapump Import Options window, select the directory name and parallelism value. Once done, click on OK. Now click on the Create Job button. You will see a dialog window saying Creating Export Job. You will be automatically taken to the Homogeneous Initial Load Monitor page. The Homogeneous Initial Load Monitor page shows the status and progress of the job. You can see the status of other jobs by selecting the load name from the drop-down. Now, you can see the export job process bar and its execution progress. You can view logs of the process by clicking on the View Log button. Once export job execution is done, it will move on to the next stage, that is, transfer job, to S3 object storage. You can see two buttons in this stage: View Log, and the Update S3 Config button. Update S3 Config will help you to update the AWS secret key details to access the AWS S3 object storage for moving the files from the source database to AWS S3 object storage. The next stage is Download Job, from S3 Object Storage to RDS. You can view logs of the process by clicking on the View Log button. Next, you will have the Import Job process. You have the option to view the log, as well troubleshoot in this step. Once the job import is completed, you will get the summary of the job, which shows the name of the tables, number of exported rows and imported rows. And that's how you use 1Place to migrate data from an on-premise Oracle database to AWS RDS instance with very minimal access. Thanks for watching. To watch more videos on 1Place Client Console, subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more information, please see the details in the description down below.